Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your HubSpot account. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or just need a fresh start, I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to hubspot.com. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, click the settings gear icon in the top navigation menu. This opens your account settings page with all your preferences and options. Next, scroll down the left-hand menu and click Security. At the bottom of the security page, you'll see a link that says Delete My User Account. Click this link when you're ready. Before confirming, make sure to back up any important data, because deleting your account is permanent and will remove all stored information. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the deletion. And that's it. Your HubSpot account is now deleted. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.